Talofa lava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we have part 2 of Chief's Luau video. Chiefs Luau is probably the highlight of our trip and a place that we loved going to. We went several times. We spent a lot of time here at the Chiefs Luau, and so we just wanted to make sure that everyone knew what value it holds in our hearts. The people, the staff, the show, it was all amazing and we loved it, and we know that anybody who visits will love to see Chiefs Luau, so make sure to check it out. One of the reasons that Chiefs Luau is close to our heart is because when Logan was 9 years old, he had the opportunity to meet his uncle, Faimawhili Skivi Laulu, who had visited Samoa while attending the Tuila Festival, along with Chief Sielu. And Faimawhili was Logan's first ever Siva Afi teacher, and he lit the bug for Siva Afi with Logan and continued to show him how Siva Afi and being a Siva Afi performer can be in Hawaii. He offered him the ability to train with the Chiefs Luau team. He was able to get Logan an opportunity to perform in front of Chief Sielu, one of the greatest Siva Afi performers of all time, and in fact the first ever world champion Siva Afi fireknife dancer. And so this is Logan performing in front of Chief Sielu. He was nervous as because, hello, it's Chief Sielu. But he was so proud that he was able to have this opportunity, and so full of joy that he was able to see others doing Siva Afi, making a living from Siva Afi, and just loving the Siva Afi life. Not only did Logan get to perform in front of Chief Sielu and the team, he was also given the opportunity to work as a greeter in the luau, as a person setting up one of the fire holders. And if you see in the green arrow, they even gave him the opportunity to perform, and Logan is on the left side performing at his first ever luau at Chiefs Luau in Hawaii. Chiefs Luau is amazing. It was the first Siva Afi performance where it was not just one person or a few people. The whole stage was full of fire, full of Siva Afi performers, and you could feel the love that they had for the Samoan culture. You could feel the love that they had for the Pacific cultures, and it was just an amazing experience. So if you would like to see a luau and you're in Hawaii, make sure to check out Chiefs Luau. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. If you have liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to support us even more, make sure to subscribe and press the notifications bell. Thank you again. Tell us in the comments who your favorite Siva Afi performer is. Ka whataite le lava, tō whā soifua.